Good morning and welcome to the 4-Minute Morning, and it is the first day of March 2018. Everything is within your own risk and own reward. Let's get started with DXY, the dollar index, which is in at 90.76. This is what I call a double bottom, basically two U's or two V's, with the first one occurring in here and the second one, and then a breakout of resistance has just occurred. The support line at 88.54 has done amazing. That's Fibonacci downside from the low from the 91 handle and this high at the 95 mark. I have an upside target if this continues going to about the 92.45 handle. On the monthly chart, that level coincides with the 2015 and 2016 lows. And it also would coincide with the 18 average, which is now declining after resisting it last October. So with the dollar index going up short term, what does that mean for gold and silver? Well, gold, it's pretty much got a double top formation. There's your double reverse U. And now if this thing ends up breaking down, or if it breaks this support, I'd be looking for a price objective in at 1284.6, which represents a 61.8% down correction. The 31.8% down correction is right where it is, a little over the 1310 number, and it is, of course, test number 2 of that area. Silver has an inverted cup and handle formation. There might be a little bit of support in at 1609 if it goes lower, but if it breaks this level, I'll primarily be looking for a test of the previous low at around 15 3/4. The Dow Jones Industrial, with higher volatility since the first leg lower on the 2nd of February, had a move a few days ago, getting above the 18 average of highs on the daily, which has had 2 quick down days in retracement. But the retracement is coming back to the newly rising 18 average. This is big. This is going to tell us that this thing is back in gear. It breaks this resistance, bull market, and throttle. But if this doesn't hold and the 18 average fails this test, I'll be looking at this breakout, the 3-day move from 24.8 up to the 25.7 handle as a failed move, and at least a test down towards this lower mark of the 23 to 20, well, the 23-ish level. Let's go on to Bitcoin now. And on its daily term time frame, it has had this break above the 18 average after it flattened out. It established resistance. It came back to support. That's the next stage in the reversal of trends. And it did so at a key Fibonacci point, but getting above this resistance point. And I like after this green candle, how it had a small green candle to consolidate the highs. Yesterday's session, it retraced a bit, but not much. And it's right back up to that level. So it does look as if this thing might be ready for a decent break. And getting above this 12,000 handle, it could be glory days again as, again, this reverts the downtrend to an uptrend. Moving on to Litecoin. It has a similar pattern, but not as strong with its movement in the 18. If this doesn't break out relatively soon and get into the well, this 240 area, this 18 average will start to flatten out. Now, a lot of altcoins have been doing really bad recently. NXC just is a random code I brought up to show how it's had some decent decline. But when these things go, they are going to go. Here's a few that are going today. SLS, and this is one of the ones I buy low, sell high with. I've had 2 sell orders fill on this one, and another one doing well today is UNB, Unbreakable, as it just shot up and had a huge move. Again, I own this one. I put 1 sell order, and if it goes up more, I'll be placing more, just like back in here. If you sell it all up in here, well, there's more gains that followed before, because a lot of these altcoins, when they're ready to go, they are really going to go, and I'm already 35 seconds over. Take care. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.